I'm about to undergo a procedure, what many might call an experiment. Hypothesis. Hypothalamus odoriferous saga. Kum gaga dua gaga. My wife is about to cut my hair. Lord have mercy. Hey yo, hey yo.
Hi guys.
What's up, what's up?
Hi people.
What's up, how you doing today? You know,
welcome back to our channel.
We're out here. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Michael.
My name is Faith.
And we are the Stalwart lovers, you feel me?
What are you?
You feel me, bruh? Bruh.
I keep up.
Okay, so I'm right out here just trying to enjoy the weather because it's kind of sunny right now. You can see I'm sun-kissed right now, you get what I'm saying? And you get me now?
Yeah, you're sounding like bull.
Come on, excuse me. So, as I talk, they go. So,
wow, look at this. Like
as it's beginning to look a lot like spring. Look at flowers out here. They were dry. All these trees were dry.
Sorry, I said flowers, leaves.
Leaves, trees. Wow. Look at spring, baby. Summer and winter. Springtime and harvest. Anyway, we came out today wearing shorts. You can see our matching shorts.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah.
The only thing is
bought those from Walmart. Very nice. Yeah.
Slippers.
Literally wearing slippers. Like I feel like normal weather, and it's exciting. So welcome to our channel. If you're new here, you just landed on the best channel on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? You feel me now? Yeah. My cap want to fly away. So there's not. Is it wrong?
Embarrassing.
What's embarrassing? See, this is my wife. You better to shop. You're in Canada. You are in Canada, baby. You want to look like Bro Mike.
It's not about looking like Bro Mike.
I want to look like Mike, my nigga. Okay, so as I was saying, see me taking selfie in the middle of the road, and there's a car literally waiting for me. This is Canada life. I can't try this in Nigeria. They don't bomb me well. So yeah, welcome to our channel, guys. I spent too long on that intro, but you guys are in the right place. And right now we're just taking a walk to Walmart, Dollarama. Actually, we want to return something we bought.
I mean, how would I buy a makeup mirror? You know, like the part is supposed to be like a mirror, a stand, and then a base. There is no stand. And then even after putting
Did you take the receipt though?
I took the receipt.
Sorry for cutting you, go ahead.
and even after putting the batteries in at the back, the LED light still did not come on. So it's just a very faulty purchase.
Yeah, and that's quite strange.
Like, how would...
Yeah, anyway, so we're going to Dollarama and we're going to get some fruit. I've missed myself some ripe banana. Like, how do you guys get ripe banana here? So I'm going to food market. I think I saw some very good banana there, old food market. Other ones I've been seeing, they are almost ripe. They will look so yellow, but come on, I've not been enjoying it, and I snack on banana a lot. That's a better snack for me than Ije Kuje. Okay guys, so we'll catch you later.
Yeah, bye.
Auntie Fitz, how are you? Why are you looking so pretty? Why are you looking so Where 360? Lord God, such a snack. Lord God. Sister B, what did you come to buy here?
We are buying what we are buying.
Does this place look like blow dryer?
Hair product section. I just want to see.
Oh Lord.
Calm down.
Focus.
Calm down.
You came here for one thing. Focus on what you want to buy. Auntie,
I'm listening to you.
look for blow dryer. Could you call Lojo?
Let me look at your teeth.
Okay. One bad habit we have is we come here to buy one thing, then we buy too many other things. No, actually, we do that a lot. Even me, I'm guilty of that. But you are like most guilty, like guilty as charged. Why I say hello to the farm? It's so funny how inside Walmart is now colder than outside. Auntie, I found what you're looking for.
Oh, you found it?
Straight down. So which one do you want to pick?
This one is like...
So we're done. We're leaving now.
Yeah.
The item we tried to return at Dollarama. So actually, they have a no refund, no cashback.
Exactly.
But so the lady was able to like say, okay, just take any item with the same amount, and
so I just
took a different one that looked like, oh yeah, it's better.
Exactly.
Yeah. So that's the update on Dollarama. So you might not get a refund policy in Dollarama, because I mean they already have quite cheap products, so to speak, affordable. Yeah. All right,
guys.
So basically, we thought we came to buy air fryer, and we had thought that, and blow dryer of course, and we thought that it was going to enter this our bag, this our Walmart bag, but Baba was too big. Baba was too big. See, I have to be holding it. I don't even know what I'm going to do. Everybody now will know that I bought air fryer.
Technology for self-reliance.
Technology for self-reliance.
He doesn't want to answer you again.
Kí lórúkọ bọ̀bọ́ yìí tó ṣe Iron Man? Tony Stark the lane.
Akuba has been using all his power to drag all this.
This stuff is stressful, Jerry.
We actually thought the box was going to enter this bag, but alas, did not enter. Me, this is what I'm just carrying.
Fruit.
One small food.
Actually, this food was the greatest motivation for our coming out today. Yeah, let's go.
Let's move.
Hi guys. Hey, good morning. Hey, I don't know what to say, how to say this, but I'm about to undergo a procedure, what many might call an experiment, hypothesis, hypothalamus odoriferous saga, kum gaga dua gaga. So basically, we went to guys, I'm not joking. I'm not acting up right now. My wife is about to cut my hair. Lord have mercy. So we went to get clipper from Walmart. Where's my clipper? I'm scared. I'm scared for my life. Went to get clipper from Walmart because I've been looking. See, I just got a new clipper. I've been looking so rough, and I felt like, okay, you know what? Let me just go and barb my hair. But I don't know where barbers are here yet. I mentioned that before, and I also felt like, okay, fine. It would be nice
that can
to
be
see
done at home.
My wife barb my hair. Like I've always imagined, okay, my wife cutting my hair kind of video. I never knew I would feel this way when it's about to happen. I love my hair too much because I know how terrible I could look if it is not done well. But I'm ready for it to be dismal, peace-mouthed. My wife has actually been watching YouTube tutorials since yesterday. I really hope.
I've watched like three
for the sake, because tomorrow is Sunday. We're going to church tomorrow. This will determine if I'll get a do-rag today or not. Because I might just get a do-rag and cover my hair throughout service. But
it will be that bad. I trust my living God that you will not fail me at this point.
Babe, just think about me plaiting your hair.
If you watch YouTube videos now, you just twist here. You just hold it to twist.
Anyway, I believe in you. I believe in you. I know you can do this.
A vote of confidence.
Yes. Word of affirmation. You can do anything you set your heart to do. You can do this, baby. You've done the work. You've studied hard. It's time for excellence.
Yeah.
The spirit of excellence is upon you, and you will not make mistake with my hair.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Anyway, guys, not to bore you, let's get right into it. Glory.
Guys, the bathing process has started. So I need to.
What are you doing?
So I need to comb his hair.
Let me comb it.
Okay.
There's a way you comb hair. Guys, do you know my wife wanted to put leave-in conditioner in my hair.
Why would I put leave-in conditioner in your hair?
Leave-in conditioner in my hair to soften my hair. This is. Are you kidding me?
Leave-in conditioner in your hair.
Did you watch that on YouTube video?
Yes.
Ah.
No, that you wash your hair with proper shampoo. By the time I'm done.
Hey, la mama,
come beat yourself.
Oluwa. YouTube fam, I'm doing this for you. Like this video, comment, subscribe. I'm doing this for YouTube.
Are you sure you're doing it for YouTube?
Ah, why?
What if I get your hair very well? Like if I barb your hair very well?
If you barb my hair very well, you will be my barber forever.
Exactly.
And you cannot be my barber forever because there's some style I still want to do that you won't be able to do.
Well,
but at least this is my regular style.
This is your regular style. I will do that one.
Yeah. See how I'm coming it.
Yeah. No more. Ah, I see glory.
You see glory. It's your confidence for me. It's the way you believe in yourself for me.
I'm going to do this. Trust me.
I believe in you, babe. Honestly.
I'm going to do this. So I thought,
but please, hope it's not too late to go and buy durag in Walmart. You should be able to get durag now in square one.
Yes, we should.
Just in case, I have to durag cover and I'll go look like Lyrica.
Oh yeah.
PG. Durag gang. Hey.
Awesome. Are you ready for this?
Have you done this shit? See, I'm looking at myself here.
Oh, sorry, I forgot one small step. I was supposed to oil the clipper.
Shey you not take your time, right step by step from YouTube like this.
No, there is no.
This is like you already forgot steps where you're supposed to oil clipper. Hey, see my hair. See my hair. It's a big.
A very low thing. Oshé, Madu.
Anyway. See, you don't even give me a
Oh,
This barber, this is my barber. My
sorry, I forgot to wear.
My barbress. This is my barbress that doesn't know.
I forgot to wear apron for you. So you're supposed to tie it to your neck. Yeah.
Away.
Lubricating oil.
Maybe you know you're not going to barb my teddy, right?
I know.
So I'll never forgive you if you do that.
No, I'm not going to barb your teddy.
You don't work clipper like that, so.
You need to hold it opposite, different directions.
If you want to hold it in different direction.
This is vibrating on my hand.
Yeah, yes, now what do you expect?
Like,
if you want, give me the clipper, let me show you something. Yeah. If you are barbing, you must always hold the clipper like this. Either you are barbing down like this, or up like this.
But some people used to do like this, like this.
That's still there. It's because they are professionals.
Okay.
Are you a professional?
So like this back.
Okay.
Yeah, are you ready? Keep your head straight.
I'm a soup. What style are you trying to barb for me though?
I'm trying to fade, so I'll cut a particular line up here. And then I'll fade it. So I'm just basically trying to barb your regular hairstyle. You get plenty on top. Sorry. Plenty on top, then small under. Like your hair is very low right now under. You understand?
Okay. I told you not to hold clipper like that. I told you not to hold clipper like that.
Okay, like this, have you?
Put yourself in a place where that will be convenient for you to hold it very well. Even if you have to move.
Okay, even if you have to move, okay. Okay, this is actually better. Yeah, straight line. Yeah, I'm going to number one.
Like guys, I'm the kind of person that when I go to a barber shop in Nigeria, it is the yoga that barbs me. Like, even if you have been learning work for 5 years, it's the owner of the barber, the best of the best that barb me. Like, I demand for it, and they know. And I can't believe I'm subjecting my hair to this professional right here.
Professional. Tomato.
Yay!
Okay.
All I know is that there shall be an end. And the end justifies the means.
Although, the means is small piece. I just quickly do that. Sorry.
Where's your screwdriver? Don't know that there will be times when you use screwdriver.
They've not shown me anything like screwdriver anymore. It's I want to get the straight line. Why are you laughing?
Was I laughing? I wasn't laughing.
Okay. I thought I was saying. Okay. So this is going.
Hey, is that a comb or a clipper? Babe!
I'll try to.
Hey, wait! Spinning me! Oh, babe, you're pulling my hair.
I'm pulling your hair.
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do?
Go over.
All the way down?
No, not really, bro.
So why are you not doing this place? You want to reduce it?
Not really. I'm going to reduce it, but.
No, no. Why are you barbing this place? Guys, Skodo, that's the future of my hair. I've seen it. They've shown me. They've shown me. I want to meet Bewa.
It's all like me.
Skodo, that's the future because no.
Yes.
Don't forget that. Hey,
sorry.
Don't forget that the clipper is not the blade itself is what you're targeting. So if you're using the amount of this thing alone, you're just pulling my hair up. You need to use a blade. Why don't you try this, babe? Try to go like this. You see that it will work. Then go into my deep hair. Go like. See.
Okay, like this.
Why are you barbing towards this side? Like, see. What do you want to do? You want to reduce the side, right?
Yes.
You follow the spiral. Your hand, your three hands should go like this, not in there. Like this. So you want to trim it like this. You're doing hands like that. But why are you bringing it to the front? You're already lowering my hair in front already. So I have to leave the hair for me to decide how much I want to lower it. This is already too low than I want.
Already?
Yes, then why are you lowering this piece? I want to focus on this side and leave the center.
Oh, wow. Yes. So let's come back to our fading at the back.
Yes, mommy. This way. Oh yeah, let me see your clipper. Put it to the lowest.
Open.
To barb it like normal barbing. Blend my hair, barb it like normal barbing.
What's in Romeo?
My wife said, what's in Romeo? I don't pay you.
Barbing is not easy. You
think Baba is the joke? And they'll barb the whole day standing. If you're a Baba, please, I celebrate you.
I celebrate you. It's two of us that celebrate you together at this point. So my major challenge is getting this fade, like the fade effect now. The fade is happening.
The fade is not everything you're babbling. The fade is the whole hair. Your job is my entire hair. It's not just the fade. So do a good job and don't celebrate too early.
Okay.
But it's fine if you have to motivate yourself. You are literally hurting me. We're going bang, 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 bang. Yeah. We're going to clipper, mommy, Lori. The way you're holding the clipper, that song.
You're well father. Well, this is good. This is good. It's a good work. Start deciding how low, how high you want this thing to be.
Just leave that one.
Yeah, let me just leave it back. My nails are almost done here. She needs a carving. It's nice now. Serious.
It's just that they are not aligned.
Our hand is not the straightest, but it's okay. It's not bad.
No matter how terribly you barb this hair, I will carry it like that to Walmart with you. Just to say I celebrate you before I decide to go and shave it all off.
Babe, seriously. It's not bad. Trust me. I'm going to see the end result. And you see that it's actually not bad.
What are you going to do about this, my full hair? Bye.
I just feel like...
You already dug this side.
By mistake, but...
It's not by mistake. You thought you knew what you were doing. Do that number 4 on this place. Do that number 4 on this place.
On which side?
The right.
Okay, so that we can balance anything back. Yeah.
Don't hold that. Don't hold clipper like that and barb my own hair.
That's just you. Okay.
Put your hand in the center of this place. Yes. That's where your grip comes from.
But this is vibrating in my hand.
You get used to the vibration. Don't you feel that you have more grip?
Yeah, I feel like I have more grip.
Keep your hand down. Don't move. Don't go up. Why are you going further up again? And then go to the side. Don't think that's okay. I said I knew you were going to do that. No,
I've done number 4.
Jesus.
Let's do number 3, babe. Serious.
I destroyed my hair.
I'm not destroying it, Coco. I'm not destroying it.
I have destroyed my hair.
I'm not destroying it. I'm not destroying. Why you do like this now?
You know what? I'm going to keep quiet. Do whatever you want to do now. I will not advise you again. When you are done, lie. Because if I advise you, say I'm saying what you do. Well, let me tell you something you should do now. Remove the case. Now it's left to your sculpting skill.
Wait, I want to do. There's this place that is a bit.
You sculpt it. Move the.
I should remove it, so I'll now start sculpting back.
Yeah, you have to sculpt the rest. If not, you keep making it worse.
Yeah.
So look at it very well. Put it on the last two, not sharp.
Sharpest.
No. Yeah. So you try to.
No, we'll just do Skodo.
I will see the Skodo the way this is the go.
No.
So, but
I'll not let you do Skodo.
So you get start sculpting. Look at it very well. You come to my front, and you look at my hair. You look at what I'm seeing. You see that it's terrible. Do you get? Man, I've not seen this view since. I must have been seeing this view from a mirror in front of me. So you look at it, then you sculpt. This is where you can show that you are a true born barbaress. You sculpt.
I get you.
And you sculpt very well. I'm not going to say a word.
Okay.
You destroy my hair. Skodo it is. Anyway.
Okay.
Now human beings they do Skodo.
Don't move.
I'm here for you. Should I put my hair like this? Would you be seeing something?
I'm not saying it.
Okay, so you won't be useful for you.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy.
but does it balance with that side?
You check my touch here.
Hmm?
Why you dey touch my hair? When you barb hair, you watch it. You watch it. You don't. I'm tired. You barb somewhere. You are now using hand to press it in. That's cheating.
To adjust it.
No, you don't use hand to adjust. Use slipper. Use slipper to adjust it.
Guys, so since you last saw us, our battery actually died. Thank God the clip wasn't lost.
Yeah.
So we are proceeding. I've done a little
Actually,
bit.
let's do a little bit status update.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
Go close,
Let me show you.
Go closer.
I don't know what the back looks like.
I might not have faded it too well, but at least I tried my best. I'll get the fading better next time.
Are you guys seeing me? I'm talking.
It's not showing your bum, so.
So it's time to.
It's time to. But should we try to carve the front? Do you think I can?
When do you offer your shape,
I
Abby?
can do it. And the shape.
Oh yeah.
I'll start from here. At least this one should not be too bad.
Marco, don't carry it.
No, that's
inside.
the thing. I was warned on the
Oh yeah, let's go.
I shouldn't actually.
If you need barbing services in Toronto, Mississauga, Brampton, the whole of Canada GTA, call Sister B.
Let me not get ahead of
Don't get ahead of yourself. Actually, it's not bad. It's not too bad that I cannot carry it.
Yes.
But I have to help you, shower. But anyway, we are a team.
Yeah, it's in now.
To say you destroy my hair, same. That's
This
too.
is it. Is it like this or like this? Wait, calm down.
Let me see what you're doing.
Like this now.
You don't hold it like that. You hold it like this. Don't
This sense, what is trying to
do
grab
it like this. You do.
Okay, like this.
It's okay. Stop. I'm too scared. I can't joke my teddy. I can have Skodo and still have teddy. But
Okay.
not having my teddy is not a.
Okay, you said up first.
No.
Down
You
first.
forgot everything I taught you.
Down first for.
You go like this. Come. Boom. Babe, let me show you.
Like this, but
Bring it.
directly or against the body.
You still.
Like this, but.
Oh! Why do you keep putting my hand down? You're holding the clipper like someone that wants to paint wall. There's not like only one brush.
Yeah,
Hold
like
the clipper the way I told you to hold it.
Like this.
No.
Like this.
Oh Jesus. I said like this. Like
okay,
this.
like this, Abby. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Then put up feel. See this is
I should put force, Abby.
not force, just shave, like shave.
You should have did it for yourself last.
I'm just showing you what to do. Don't do. You're not going to make any progress like that.
I'm trying to be careful. This barbing business. Hey!
You've not clean that place very well. It's in cool routine.
Unless you do everything together. Like do this one, then come back. Hey! My husband's neck, oh. I was scared.
What do you think it will do to me? Do you think it's gonna cut me?
Yes, I cut your neck.
With clipper.
Yes, no. Yeah.
It's okay.
Why did you shake?
I was wondering what you wanted to do to me. Hold on, let me see what I've done.
I'm giving you clean shave, babe. Don't touch this under, oh. Leave it, oh.
You're good. Now you get the beard.
Now me get down. It's my beard. Babe, this is not
Calm
husband
down.
barbing himself.
This is my beard. I don't joke with my beard, auntie.
Anyway. Grooming complete. Wait. Don't joke with your. So you don't joke with your beard, but you joke with your hair.
Hey, I know I can go and barb Skodo.
Yeah, wait.
Can I go and Skodo my
Your
beard?
mouth.
Is that what I told you to do? Babe, is that how I told you to hold it? Eh, now.
But it's not. It's this place, oh.
Yes.
Oh,
Put
yeah.
it back to.
Calm down.
Stop telling me to calm down. This is my beard. No. I can't calm down with my beard, babe. I want to look like 18-year-old boy.
Calm down now.
See, follow my instruction. Don't let us fight. Eh?
Oh, yeah, what do you want me to do?
Baby, be attentive. You are not arguing when I was correcting you with my hair. Now you are
I'll give you
arguing.
mark here. Should I give you mark?
It's the boy you were.
No, now it's fine, guys.
What did I tell you to do when I was teaching you about this place?
That should just touch it small.
Take it back to where it was before.
This is the far back.
It's fine. Take it back, yes. Just you'll see the difference now, yeah.
Stay away. What's the skin you?
It's fine. Just a little bit more. Or look at it now. You can see where it's not balanced.
This side.
Then just stop. Just try. Okay. Little. Okay. You see what I'm saying now? Come and listen. Come and burn. I must see what you're doing. Yeah, don't see what you're doing. I must see what you're doing. Oh. My back is I'll correct this liver from your hand.
And then look it like.
You move your hand. Just use this one alone. Just touch it.
Yeah.
That way. You shape more. You shape more. I don't try. I don't do it again.
You not do your own. I'll not do mistake now. It's a
I mean, it's a mistake. I am doing what I want to do. Your fear of not overwhelming itself makes you not even do much. That's what I want you to do. Anyway, you try it. Try for yourself. Brethren. How do I look?
It's fine. See, my husband is cute.
I think you did very well. Quite frankly, I think you did very well.
We are giving it to me 60 degrees now.
I'm coming. It's not the perfect test, especially this side, but I think you tried. This one is normal. At least my under neck is clean now. Yeah, 360, Abby. Look at this, look at this, look at this.
Yeah, you got it, you got it, you got it.
You feel me now? How does that look? Anyway, I'm just glad that, okay, I think it's safe enough. I don't really need to do Skodo. I don't need to go and barb everything off.
Yes.
So high five, baby. Teamwork. Even though you started becoming unsubmissive.
Submissive.
Let me show you. You are beating my hand down.
Yes,
for God's sake.
You're disturbing me.
Anyway. Thank
you for giving me the privilege of digging my fingers into your hair.
Thank you.
At least I did barbing for the first time.
Yes,
I bar somebody's hair before I say.
You say yes. Anyway, so should we wrap up the video here?
Yeah. I think we have tried.
This video would have ended with me taking you along to the mall where I go to buy my durag. But I feel like, quite frankly, I'll manage this. Well done, baby.
Yes, sir.
So guys,
should I do should I, like, you know the way they used to curl their hair?
that one I can do that myself. But you could do that for me.
So when you are bathing, you shampoo your hair, and after that we will now apply leave-in conditioner and coiling cream. So I'll just
not coil, like Pastor Chris kind of coil. Pastor Chris kind of coil.
Is it Pastor Chris?
That would be so coily. That would be nice. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, let me come like this. If you enjoyed this video, like it.
Yes.
You drop a comment. That was an experience.
Yes.
I'm glad it ended. But to be very honest, I believed in you. But I wanted to enjoy the experience and also put an eye on you, because this one that you did in this place, I've not forgiven you yet. You apologize for me. You apologize. Wait, don't worry, I'll tell you what you apologize later behind the camera. So guys, if you love the video, share it, drop a comment, and all that good stuff. We'll see you.
Subscribe if you haven't.
Subscribe if you have not. We'll see you in our next video.
Yes, guys.
So till we come your way again.
Keep loving.
And keep believing.
We are
The Stalwart lovers.